Hi, this is Linda AmanArts. Welcome to my world. I'm excited to tell you that our art subscription that we have been doing for a number of months now has been very successful. We did a survey recently and people are really excited where we're going with everything. It is called Art Challenges, Teaching the Artist Within You. And it is something that we thought about. I actually thought about for couple years and then decided this was the time to do this. It's already got 12 full lessons, art lessons in the library at this point, and about the same number of Zooms. The Zooms are where you can come on live and you can be involved in watching me do the critique. And if you don't want to be on Zoom platform, it is recorded for you to see later. So right now, we already have those 12 lessons in and about 12 Zoom critiques. So every month you get 2 lessons, full lessons, and 2 Zoom critiques that you would have in your library that just continues to build. As long as you're a member, you continue to see those as many times as you want to. Those of you that are brand new at this is for you. This is also for those that are all the way up to an advanced level of prize-winning artists. I have a mixture of people in all of those levels, and there are gems of my experience through all the years that you will find very fitted to you, and also very basics that work out too for you. It's a big variety of lessons that will build on each other to take you to your next level of art. And you can take them at your pace. You can watch them over and over. You can start and stop them, which is really helpful in a subscription. So some of the variety that we have right now is watercolor, mixed media. We're doing some glazing, color theory, textures, doing some tools and techniques. I have a lot more planned for you that is out in the curriculum in the future. It's basically $20 a month. You get 2 lessons and 2 Zooms that are recorded, or you can come to those live. And you have the option of being on a personal Facebook if you want to share your art. So it's a full program. I made it affordable so that everybody can continue on with their education. Entertainment, encouraging, and education is what I'm doing for you. So I look forward to your joining us. You can click to my website. There's a number of ways that you can find, you'll see it in this video, that you can go over and find out more about it, see a couple samples. You're also welcome to email or call me to ask what this is really about. So I hope you can join us. It's real exciting. We have people that are just continuing to improve their art and just move to the next level of who they personally are. Thank you.